Cooks, it's Wednesday. It's Cosori Air Fryer Wednesday. Because guess what? I broke my air fryer. I dropped it on the floor, busted the handle off. So now it's time for a new air fryer. And there's only one place that I look to when I'm talking air fryers. That's Cosori. Today, we're going to be testing this one out. This is the Turboblaze. We're going to give it its run for its money, and this is going to be a new member of the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Welcome! It's Wednesday. So clumsy old me, I broke my air fryer. I actually dropped the basket and broke the handle off. And like for the last 2 months, I've been using it with a broken handle. But I figure it's time to replace it. And the only place I'm going to replace my air fryer is Cosori. I love their machines. They're no fail. They're great. And I come back to them every time. So if you've never had an air fryer, which a lot of people have had an air fryer, or if you want to upgrade your air fryer from an older, outdated one, this one has an app. It has hundreds of recipes. And if you want to just get a brand new, clean air fryer, take a look at Cosori. Their reviews are amazing, and I can tell you, I love them, right? I love their air fryers, no doubt. So I just want to thank you, Cosori, for sending this over. I was in desperately need of an air fryer, and I love your products. Absolutely love them. So look at this. Now, this is your product information. Nice. In a nice package like this. I love when companies give you great supporting material. So here's a quick guide, recommended settings. It's actually a sticker. Here is QR code to Cosori. Here is your user manual. So this is the dual blade 6-quart. And what's interesting about this is it has like a turbo in it. So you can actually adjust the speed of the fan in here. It has 5 speeds. So if you want to go turbo or if you want to slow it down and cook it a little slower. And here is a beautiful cookbook. There's 50 recipes in this cookbook. So many places, fajita bowls, look at that. Mm-hmm. So many air fryers give you barely any instruction. And look at Cosori, sourdough pizza dough, focaccia, dinners. One of the things I say about air fryers is a lot of them, people use it just to like cook frozen food or whatever. You can use your air fryer to cook from fresh. It's a great option, especially now when it's hot outside. Right?
It's a convection oven.
Yeah, it's a convection oven. So you don't have to heat up your whole house because it is hot, hot, hot outside. So here is our rack. And here's our air fryer. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I'll put links down in the description if you want to take a look at this. If it's time for you to get an air fryer or to get a new one. Don't do what I did. This is a beautiful machine. I mean, you want something, if you're going to keep an air fryer on your counter, you want it to be beautiful, right? And that's what we have here. Look at this baby. It is beautiful. This is why I love Cosori's machines. They're nice looking. On the top, we have some temperature information. So I'll take that off. Whoa, beautiful. Look at that. Very nice menu at the top. So here is our Oh, so this one, you hit the little button here, and here's our basket. Nice. So we're going to go ahead and put this in here. Has little feet on it. You stick it in there. Very nice, Cosori. I love it. Let me plug this baby in. Okay, so this is your on and off button. And these presets all change the fan speed. So we got preheat, fan speed 4, reheat 4, dry 1, bake 3, proof 1, warm 2. And here's your turbo mode. So we got air fry, and you can change the temp and the time, roasting, broiling, and these are just suggested temps and from frozen. Okay, we are going to make these little pies. One's cherry berry and one's apple. And we're going to put, I think we can do 2 of these. The crust is kind of jacked up. That's how they came. We can put 2 of these babies in there. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to bake it, and I'm going to increase the temperature to 350, and we'll see what happens. So these are looking really good. Ooh, they're hot. I don't want to touch them. So we're going to go ahead to the next step. We're going to make some crispy chicken sandwiches and some fries. So let me go get those ingredients. I'm going to set these aside so they can cool. We can have these for dessert. Okay, let's bread up we got chicken cutlets here. And I got some sub rolls. So we're going to eat these sub roll style. Got some egg here. Dipping it in the egg. Now we got some panko that I've seasoned with some rub. I want to double batter these. I could. I'm going to move it to this plate. I'm going to go ahead and give this one side some spray of olive oil, and then we'll do the other side in the cooker. Okay, so we're going to put them into the Cosori. Got 2 big pieces of chicken here. And I'm going to give a little spray action on these. And we're going to put them in. So we're going air fry. I'm going to pop this down to 375, and I'm going to keep it at 10, and I'll check the temp. Okay, we got some nice crispy chickens. Yum. Yeah. I'm going to really quick throw our buns in here to get a little toast. Little toast. Okay, I'm taking them out at this point because I just want them lightly toasted. Woo! Now we're going to throw in a little bit of fries here. Fries! I'm going to spray them down with my olive oil spray. Okay, we got fries! And I'm going to give them a little seasoning. Yeah. Seasoned fries. Give them a little shake. And it's time to eat our sandwiches. Okay, Boo, you ready for some crispy chicken sandwich? Some crispy French fries and a pie?
Sure.
There you go.
Thank you, Liz.
So the air fryer did amazing. I was able to cook the pie, let it cool down while we were cooking the sandwich. While I was preparing the sandwich, the fries got done. The chicken only took like 11 minutes, right? Okay, so we got fries. Hot. And this is our, see how crispy this is? So here's our sandwich that I can't get inside the pot. I'll eat it like this. Really good. This is way better than any kind of takeout you can get. It's delicious. So good. And we have a little bit of pie here.
It's banquet.
Well, it's good for a little frozen dessert. Fun frozen dessert. It is so good. So good. Your air fryer is amazing. I love it. I will always come back to Cosori's air fryers because I absolutely love them. If you want to check this out, there'll be links down in the description. Thank you so much. I'm getting ready to go enjoy my lunch. Amazing. All right in the air fryer. Thanks for joining me.